Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fried eggs and rice. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 to 3 large eggs, about 1 cup of cooked white rice, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Having your rice already cooked and slightly cooled is key for a good texture. Make sure your pan is clean and ready for action. This quick and satisfying meal is perfect for any time of day. Now, let's get those eggs perfectly fried. Place a non-stick pan over medium heat and add about 1 tablespoon of your favorite cooking oil. Once the oil shimmers, gently crack 2 eggs into the pan, keeping the yolks intact. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the egg whites are fully set but the yolks remain wonderfully runny. A sprinkle of salt and pepper will enhance their natural flavor. While your eggs are resting, let's prepare the rice. Take about 1 cup of your pre-cooked, cooled rice and add it to a clean pan or wok over medium-high heat. Stir-fry the rice for 3 to 4 minutes, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. You want it to be heated through and slightly toasted. For an extra layer of taste, a dash of soy sauce or a few drops of sesame oil works wonders. Finally, it's time to bring it all together for a delightful meal. Carefully scoop your warm, flavorful rice onto a plate, forming a nice base. Then, gently place your 2 beautifully fried eggs right on top of the rice. For a touch of freshness and color, you can add some chopped green onions or a sprinkle of chili flakes. This simple yet satisfying dish is now ready to be enjoyed. Bon appetit!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.